Yeah, I think one of our challenges is figuring out what not to do.
Right.
There are so many possibilities now that we really have to zero in on our priorities and figure out where do we want to weight our efforts in terms of the new functionalities that's out there. I mean, some of the things we're seeing that we want to start getting into more, like Internet of Things. You know, you can imagine we have 275 facilities overseas. You know, the amount of data that's created by all that equipment and facility data is just massive. On top of that, you know, looking at AI, looking at blockchain, looking at how do we unlock some of that data. And so I think what you're going to see is that cloud is just going to be a standard expectation. It's just going to be something that we all do. I mean, we're not having any trouble finding people that want to do it or want to move it forward. We're trying to figure out how do we align it best towards the right outcomes and the right goals. So I think the expectation is going to be that people, especially overseas, can do the same things at work that they can do at home in terms of their relation to technology, the speed of their ability to connect and to have impactful communications as quickly as possible is just going to be a constant driver for us. So I think we're going to adopt a lot more cutting edge technology. I think we're going to reduce our time to market. I think the mobile diplomat is going to have the ability to get on his phone or her phone anywhere in the world and be able to connect with anyone else that they need to talk to in the agency or outside the agency about a specific programmatic issue they have and know real time what's happening and be able to affect diplomacy right in the room without having to go back to their office or without having to call somebody else. And I think that kind of power is really going to be a force multiplier for us.
Yeah, really.